seem like the peanut. This is the first layer, one seed. The second layer, smooth skin.
Parang ang bigat ng bayag ko. Yo, day 2. Almusal na kami. Makit muna kami. Alright. Punta na kami ubod, diba? Tapos na rin kami mag-almusal. Ang ganda ng Yamaha SI. Tawa is laughing. Laugh.
Oh, it's tawa.
Tawa. She's laughing. We are Balinese now. Charing. Charing is just kidding in a gay language. Charing.
Charing. Say chanda.
Chanda.
Yeah.
Charing,
chanda. Oh.
So how do you say Genchana?
Kanchana.
Oh, that's Indonesian.
It's Indonesian.
Really?
What does that mean?
That's why they call Garuda Wisnu Kanchana, right?
Genchana.
Yeah.
Luwang. Coffee plantation.
Today, I would like to introduce Senhawa Coffee and Tropical Plantation site.
That's
Just a little bit
amazing.
information in the plantation to you. Follow me, please. This is a cacao, chocolate fruit.
Yeah.
The cacao fruit big until the yellow color, ready to the harvest. Inside, been in the cacao long process. A turmeric are used in cooking and traditional medicine. In here, use making the tea. Kurma with
Okay.
saffron tea, the yellow color, good for immune system.
Okay.
In here, use making the tea, good for the sore throat and stomach problem. And the next, this is we have mangosteen.
Mangosteen.
Mangosteen,
Oh.
tropical fruit. Mangosteen in here, use making the tea. No fruit yet. From the skin in the fruit, the red color, the purple color. Good for the control cholesterol, diabetic, and prevention.
Oh, aggressive animal. Alamid ata to.
Okay, as you can see, the most famous animal called luwak. Luwak coffee, expensive coffee from the poo animal.
Yes.
Its mammal is native to Asia, especially tropical forest.
Alamid.
This is sample from the poo.
So this is the poo.
Yeah, the poo one.
So after that,
Collect in the morning in the garden, we
Okay.
washing. After we washing, we dry. After we dry, we fill. Until you look inside, the bean seem like the peanut. This is the first layer, one seed. The second layer, smooth skin.
okay.
And you look inside, bean the coffee, we washing hot and normal water again.
Okay.
After we washing dry under the sun, very clean, hygienic, ready to the roasting. Yeah?
Oh, nice.
Not contact the poop, just process fermentation.
Okay.
This is regular coffee, the Bali coffee. Bali coffee mix Arabica and Robusta from the tree mixed together. This is a ginger. This is galangal. This is turmeric and lemongrass. In here, use making the tea and for cooking. White pepper, black pepper. This is a clove and the cinnamon.
Okay.
The roasting coffee. 1 kilo coffee, si roasting 45 minutes until 1 hour until that one, yeah?
Okay.
The dark chong, the color and the aroma. You
Is it the same process with the poo?
Same process.
Nice. Nice coffee. Lubang is this?
In our Indonesia lasu.
Lasu. Okay.
Lusong naman sa Bisaya,
This is
lusong.
lubang in the Philippines. Lusu in Indonesia.
Lasu.
How about in Balinese?
Lasu.
Lusu. Same. Okay. So hindi na sa akin bago to kasi ginagawa ko sa Bicol. When I was just, teenager. Went to the farm and whatnot. Pakita mo yung, finished product. Kanina pa ako dito na
Maro na.
nagaganto.
Ilan mo na ba yan? Maro lang ibili nito.
Di ba nagpinigil?
Is this a stone? Oh, okay. Thank you. So ayun, nakapagano na tayo ng lubang sa Bicol.
Marami parang mga 10 klase nasa tasa.
Magko-coffee tasting kami with my baby cakes and parental guidance.
TC coffee, 1 punch chocolate. This is lemongrass tea, good for influenza and detox. White rice tea, good for the bone, osteoporosis. Ginger tea, good for the sore throat and stomach problem. Rosella tea, good for the blood circulation. Mangosteen tea, good for control cholesterol, diabetic. Saffron tea with curcuma, good for immune system. This is a hot chocolate. And avocado coffee, good for anti-aging and oxidant. This is Bali coffee, good for headache, migraine. Vanilla coffee. Mochaccino coffee, Bali coffee, make the chocolate. This is a coconut coffee, good for the hair and skin. And the last, the ginseng coffee, good for energy and stamina. Special except luwak from the animal, black coffee. If you want try, me just 55,000 for 1 cup. Would you like to order luwak?
We'll wait for my fiance later.
All benefit, you have to look in the menu, yeah? Maybe you like, you interest, you remember, yeah?
Okay, okay.
Yeah, enjoy.
We'll just call you later. Thank you.
Yung lalaki sila gusto nilang kumain. Ito pwede kayo mag-take out dito. Ito, coconut yung napili ko kasi ang sarap niya eh. Haba tong coffee tasting na hanggang dun sa dulo. Tapos meron dito sa kabila. Dun sa kabila. Pero hindi naman punong-puno. Hindi yung mga baby cakes. Yung sa'yo?
Mochaccino.
Patingin. Mochaccino and kay tita is avocado. Masarap din daw yan. Kay tito wala.
Kasi inubos niya lahat ng
Inubos
coffee
niya
beans.
lahat. Ito.
Tea and coffee.
Tea and coffee combination. So that's it. After neto, lipat kami sa ano, sa zip line. Ito si ate, ang galing naman Japanese. Ito Japanese tong couple na to. Pag-usapan namin ni Agus, si Agus here mentioned that their petrol here or their gas is way cheaper than ours. Ours is 19,000 and theirs is just 10,000. So nasa 34 lang yun, 34 to 35. Correct me if I'm wrong, 34 pesos na lang. So ang sarap mag-ride dito talaga. Tapos maganda pa yung location. There you go. So yun, bibili kami ng ticket, no smoking area. Oh no. Ayun yung zipline. Ganda rito ah. Tambay kami dyan mamaya. Ito yung price list nila. Single swing 200k. So convert nyo na lang yan sa peso. Ito yung swing. Mag-zipline muna kami. Si tita lang yung mag-swing. Ito yung queue area. Dito sa loob. Ayan, ready na sila. Pagbalik. Parang ang bigat ng bayag ko.
Yeah.
Look at the camera. No takot. This is safe, right? So no takot.
100%.
100%. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Welcome to Bali.
Welcome.
Ready lang.
Ready?
So, dalawa, tatlo.
Stopper! That was awesome. One more! Bitaw! Kain muna kami. Alright. Alright, tapos na kami kumain. Napaka solid nung bebek. Sarap. Fatty. Hindi naman pa, parang ano lang sa atin, mga bayan-bayan. Pero kakaiba yung ano nila, daming design.
May palakad portion.
Pilipinas na Pilipinas.
Ayun, babe, kung lang mo to.
Angas ng mga bahay dito, may mga temple. Di namin alam sinasabi mo, kuya.
Okay for you?
What?
Ito, Yamaha X-Max. Makita nyo ngayon kung gaano kapangit ang motor kapag nandyan sa harap yung plate number, 'di ba? Buti hindi na tuloy yun. Ito, pasok namin sa villa. Dito kami mag-stay hanggang sa uwian. Okay. Happy birthday!
Aww, cute.
Welcome to Bali. Big Coral. Ganda. Holy shit. Ang laki. Grabe ang laki ng CR dito. May pabulaklak pa. Yes, din. Luwag. Maaga kami mamaya. Anong oras na ba? 8:54. Alas 3 kami aalis dito. Punta kami sa anong mountain yun? Yung pupuntahan natin.
Mount Bator.
Mount Bator. So continue na lang natin to bukas na video. Ito muna end ng day 2 video here in Bali. Nasa Ubud kami ngayon. So ayun. Kung nagustuhan nyo yung video na to, paki-like na lang. Alright, check na. So yun, dito kami sa villa. May pa-ilaw pa yung pool. Tahimik yung lugar. Sana walang momo. Alright. Sige, babush.